Good afternoon, everyone. Important topic to discuss with you. Here we have the core committee and important members, very important members of One Champion. Let me introduce you the hierarchy man. I've got me with us is CH Gopal Garu, who's the vice president of One Champion. He's tirelessly, effortless. He's compromising his sleeps for the ground in the effort to provide you good facility to play. And I've got the secretary M. Mahendra Reddy of ground, who's working hard to provide you high level experience cricket in his ground so that you can cherish the passion what you have and your enthusiasm towards cricket. And on his right of Mr. C.H. Gopal Garu, we have Khaja, the forever companion of the ground, who's lasting his services, who's forever providing whatever the ground and the tournament is in need for. On Mahendra Reddy's left, we have Mr. Hafiz, who's also a core and staunchest supporter of the ground. The main motive of this video is to understand their perspective and how tirelessly, rigorously they've been working to provide us and at this juncture where they are at. So let's go straight to the Vice President, Mr. C.H. Gopal Garu. Good evening, good afternoon, sir, firstly.
Good afternoon.
Firstly, a matter of pride for you that the ground has completed successfully 1 year and 2 months. You're doing a marvelous job providing cricketing service, and you are identifying the talents of people and letting them play the leagues. So how do you, as a vice president, what is your motive regarding this?
See, first of all, I would like to thank all our supporters to give us a opportunity to give a better cricket in Hyderabad. Our motto is to provide all the cricketing lovers a good cricket and quality of cricket, so that we are continuing what we are thinking, we are delivering to all the team members and all, and at the same time all the teams are supporting us to give a better facilities and all that. So in future also we want to continue like this. Thank you.
With every edition you have improved a lot, improvised in everything, because you've been playing the tournament since 2.5 years, and the tournament has started, this ground has started only in 1 year. As a vice president, how did you manage all these things?
See, as I told, we are getting a support from all the cricket lovers who are coming here and participating in our tournaments. Based on their support, we are improving our facilities or whatever it is. We are giving a quality and good cricket. That's what I can say.
As a vice president, where do you see the total One Champion name brand? It is a brand, no doubt about it. Everyone's hearing about One Champion, the quality, the standards. You guys are raising the bar very high coming to corporate cricket, because as the services, I mean, you guys provide breakfast facility, lunch facility, and the snack as well, wherein no one is providing, I reckon, with the limited amount you guys are taking with a reasonable price. So how do you think that your final agenda, what do you want to give the cricket lovers? As you're saying, you are very enthusiastic, and in the previous tournament, out of your busy schedule, you came and witnessed the match which was going on. Unfortunately, we could not have your presence. So what would be your final agenda? Where do you want to see the name One Champion?
See, we want, it's not a number, this thing. We've already established our name in the market. So we want to give a good quality cricket to the cricket lovers. That's our One Champion motto. That's it.
And anything, last question, I mean, I'm very grateful that you have provided your time, valuable time. But before rounding it up from you, anything, would you like to share a message with the family and the team members who are supporting with you?
Yeah, that's what. One thing I can say in all ways, thank you each one and all who are coming here and participating and giving a motivation to us for a good cricket and all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time and the speech you have given on One Champion. And I'd like to go to Mr. Khaja, who's standing on your right, who is a supporter, who is a player, who understands cricket well enough and is matured enough, who's dedicating his time to one champion as a true supporter, and having himself stand with the core group he's designated and he's been valued for. Firstly, congratulations on standing with the core committee team members. So how do you feel standing with them and supporting?
We do feel good because when we started cricket as a team, playing as a team with KCC Royals, starting we played with different names, but we are continuing this tournament since 2018 onwards with Mahinder. We have played continuously back to back 8 seasons. We are a pure corporate team. We don't have any extraordinary players in our team, but still we are fightable with anyone. So long we will continue till we are in India.
And the relationship between you and the one champion
The
committee?
relationship it won't break in lifetime. So up to when we are going to play, we'll play the one champion only on Sundays. So why we prefer this tournament and the management, because like family we are here. We'll spend a lot of time here in weekdays, on weekends. Whenever we got time, we'll come here. We'll spend time with Jaypal, Mahinder, and we'll share the thoughts how to develop the ground, how to develop like camera structure, quality, everything. So whatever is possible with us in certain amount of time, we'll spend here and we'll plan for future as well.
What is your future view or the future
See,
prospect?
future here we are seeing a lot of players are going on. So so we'll see most of the players who will play for India who played in one champion ground. We'll see that type of future from here. So many grounds are going on, many tournaments are going on, but we would like to see most of the Indian those who want to play in India, they should first play in one champion ground.
True.
That is your future in here.
And thank you. Any message for the supporters of
For
one
the
champion and
supporters,
everyone?
so many people are nowadays thinking that one champion is a very tough tournament. Yes, it is a very tough tournament. If you want to gain your knowledge, if you want to gain your skills, if you want to face the opponent's players, so keep touch with one champions. Then you will go with your improved game. If you play like another tournaments, you won't get like that type of fightable teams. We'll get one-side matches. But here, if you come, 100% will develop your skills. You develop your everything here. As per the cricket rules, whatever you want, you can develop here. But thing is that don't compare with market other tournaments. Just if you are cricket lover, just once touch with one champion, then you will check your skills after this tournament.
So, thank you, Mr. Khaja. Thank you for your valuable comment to everyone. Now let's head to Mr. Hafiz, who's also interestingly brother of Khaja. And like what your brother told, I'd say that some bonds are unbreakable bonds. What he told, that the family of one champion forever lasting. That's a huge comment. So brothers supporting one champion, usually what we see is that two siblings from family, usually they don't get together. How well are you getting together with one champion, and how well is your thinking identically matching?
Yeah, what happened, we started the cricket in 2018 in Hyderabad. So I've been in different countries. I was busy schedule. So later back to India, I started the playing cricket over here. So we got an opportunity to meet with one champion team, one champion management. They started the series in D Lake League. I remember those tournament. So we are the part of the tournament, and fortunately we started with the own team, but because we usually play in the other teams, so we not feel the comfort zone over there. So with the help of the Mahinder Reddy, we started our own team. So currently we are in 9th season. So we have played 8 seasons for one champion so far. So the good thing of the management is they support you. So if we face any challenges in the tournament level or cricket level, they help us. So they will what we are wrong, they will teach us whatever they require the things to our team. Also they helping on this area. And the part of the sibling that's a very good thing because we most of the things we are not seeing any kind of these situations. So we love to be part of the year. So we love to be playing.
So another thing, the management has been keen about improving the standards. So when the management is keen to raise the standards, how well is the management connected to the players, understanding their concerns? Is one question, and the other part of the question is that what are the difficulties you guys have faced to come at this stage? I mean, everything is commendable for one champion management. You guys have the support you have provided, but any startup would go through many obstacles and hindrances.
Yeah, the one thing is we face a lot of challenges during ground because we don't have own ground initial stages. So we are taking the lease for the couple of tournaments and one another tournament. So we're getting a lot of challenge because sometimes the players will not be happy because the Mahindra is providing very good facilities and everything. So we face a lot of challenge in the ground level. So once we got the ground, once we finalized the ground and we started our own infrastructure. So when the ground was started, it was very new to us. So later on we have improved a lot. Why? Because we can see the ground and infrastructure right now. So what we are doing, so we initially start with the camera. Now it is a live streaming. So we are giving challenges to other tournaments as well right now. So we are not any. We are the one of the good one champion is very good tournament within the Hyderabad area. So we love to part of this one.
And how is the connection with players? What do the players say you as you play here, but the management, anyone would think the management is making up. Having management on your side, what would be your feedback as a part of family of one champion and being core committee team member as well?
Initially, that's what I'm saying. Initially, we have a lot of challenges with regards to grounds because the players what they think, the ones that tournament is started, they want to part of the tournament continuously. Simultaneously, we are changing the grounds. They feel uncomfortable because they're habituated with those grounds. So finally, that was the feedback we got from the other team members.
So any appeal, any final appeal before I head to the Mr. Secretary who is standing beside you?
Yeah, one appeal to cricket lovers who want to play in standard. For the state level or inter-district level or India level. So ones should be part of this tournament, so they can improve their skill sets and what they want. They can learn a lot of things from here. But because we have seen a couple of ex-Ranji players over here, couple of big players over here, so we can learn from those people. And Mahendra is one of the great players, as you know everyone. So he can, if you find difficulties, he will teach us. Because recently I have faced with back pain. Mahendra has helped me a lot to improve my healthy part and everything. So that's all I can say. One thing to everyone is, the cricket lovers should be part of the one champion tournament at least once in their career.
Thank you for speaking your heart out. So I have the man who's waiting since very long, M. Mahendra Reddy, the secretary of One Champion. Firstly, everyone's grateful to you. You had many challenges upcoming, and you are the key role, pivotal part playing in the One Champion. You've conducted many tournaments successfully. The brand name says it, and the season number says it all. Season number 9 for you. So that shows your franchisee as the successful and leading in Hyderabad.
Yes, this is season 9 present we are doing in One Champion ground. Actually, the seasons were almost a 14th season. On the Master Blaster we have started. That is the main title for us, and sub-heading is One Champion. In future also we are continuing with this One Champion title only. With all the seasons compared together, it is almost the 14th season we are doing present now. Coming to the teams and all the team players and captains, we are very thankful for giving us such as positive vibes for us and encouraging us. And before that, my team and our panel board secretary, vice president and president, and all the boys and brothers and relationship friends and relatives who have supported us, very thankful for this. We all together we are very thankful for the sponsors mainly who were running with us from the initial time, from the season 1. All the sponsors together L Rockers, R11, RR Stones, MS Tipper Service, Surya Developers, and AG Sports from Meerut, and Foursquare Sports recently, who has joined with us for sponsoring the bats for the best batsman and leaderboard. And if I miss anyone, A2 all together, Phantom all together, all these guys who have supported us, we are very thankful for you from my bottom of my heart. In future, we are also expecting from you with the help which you can provide us. And if we miss some more members here in this meeting or in this video, like Raghu Bhai R11 and Kalyan Bhai from L Rockers, and Sandeep Bhai from RR Stones, and Hakim Bhai from Four Stars, and Sai from SKR ground near to the Dream Valley, and Anil from the Lucky Premier League, who is also one of the organizer of Lucky Premier League. If I miss anyone, and mainly the main hero of this banner is KK with his inspiration only we have started this, and the main is Bhimender Reddy, who is the landowner of this. He is also the main person. We are all missing them here. In future, in the finals, we will be connecting with them in very soon.
Surely, but you are the man who spends more time on the ground, because CH Gopal Garu, being busy with his schedule, manages some time to come, but you are the one who's been on ground constantly with your eternal support to the ground. How well has it been going? Because every season you believe what CH Gopal Garu has also told, that you believe in raising the standards and improvising on everything. How well are you able to manage your infrastructures and connection with the players? Because connection with the players is very important, because you've conducted 9 seasons, that shows you have good connection. But how well is it going until now, and about your facilities, what you are about to develop and which you have developed?
Mainly these guys, our president, vice president, and well-wishers, Khaja, Hafiz, and Raghu Bhai, Kalyan Bhai, all these together, and Jaipal, mainly the main person of this ground, who stays here only and look at all the ground facilities. These guys may be busy with their schedules, but they will be on my phone call immediately. They will respond my call, and they will be helping us with the backhand. These guys were mainly more important to me. Without these guys, the infrastructure of this ground and the infrastructure of this tournament will not be in this top position. I want to tell them very thankful, being the one champion family. And the infrastructure we have developed regarding the ground is that initial time there is no fencing for this. We have made it, and initial time there is no, the boundary rope was not there. We made it with the help of the sponsor, and now we made with recently we took the 1.5 ton roller with the help of the R11 management and Hell Rockers. And recently we are constructing the side screens. Very soon they will be getting inside the rope, inside the ground, with the help of RR Stones, Mr. Sandeep Reddy brother. With all these guys, we have made this infrastructure develop. In future, we will be developing it as a very international standard ground for to play the IPL or whatever it may be. For the future cricket and professional cricket, we are ready. Recently here, Tilak Verma, who played for India Under-19 World Cup, he has visited and he played some more matches here. And Siraj, present Indian test player, who has got more claps from all the Indians supporters, he also played here. And so many Ranji Trophy players are also ex-Ranji Trophy players and present Ranji Trophy players who was playing for Hyderabad, who are playing for Madhya Pradesh, who are playing for Kerala. All these guys have been played their initial time of this ground when the ground has started. Before, at the time of they played here, the infrastructure was low, but the infrastructure was developed very standard, good standard. Now they will be in some more 2 months or 3 months, they will be coming and playing some more tournaments here. We are going to conduct, with the help of Vice President, we are going to conduct a all India tournament very soon. We will be announcing with the flyer through the social media.
Sure, it is a big news here. I mean, the man who's revealed a secret is out for you. Stay connected with One Champion, but we are not leaving him so soon. We have few more questions for you. I'm sorry to take much of your time, but you are supposed to answer to the family of One Champion. How well, what have you improvised in this season? Because you're talking about international standards, right? So you give free breakfast, free lunch, free snacks. I mean, you are at players' service for once and for all. And the standards of umpire, I mean, nobody's complained until now about umpiring or anything. I mean, what's new in this season, and how well do you want to innovate new things in the upcoming season?
There is a story regarding these amenities which we are providing for all the corporate cricketers in the Saturday Sunday teams. So the story is behind is that I am also an ex-player for the Hyderabad and Telangana Cricket Association. I used to travel from Patancheru to almost 40 kilometers for a match to play in the morning 7:30. There we didn't have any breakfast or lunch or snacks. There will be not available on the ground. I used to suffer while playing the cricket. The main reason is that from when the opportunities came to my hands to serve, I thought that no player has to suffer when they visited for a match in a ground. So I took the approval from the board members and we are giving the breakfast for the morning 7:30 match, and 10:30 match we are giving lunch with a delicious lunch, and 1:30 2 o'clock match we are giving the soft drinks and snacks. That is the main story behind these amenities we are providing for the players.
And how about improvisations coming up in the future tournaments? And as of now, any new improvement that you have put into this edition?
Yes, obviously, every season we are taking an initiative and we are bringing some more infrastructure for this. Recently, we brought the roller. We have taken it in a span of time to take the decision. And coming weeks, we are providing the rolling camera with the help of all the sponsors, which the rolling camera moves every ball where the ball moves in the field. We are coming with that. And recently, last 1 week back, we hired Abdul Mujib, who is the excellent voice commentator for us, who is running with the One Champion family. We have always, anytime we are available to give the top level quality for the cricketers.
You've told this because as a player, only a player understands what the other players need. As you are a player, but many teams come. But are you partial to any team, or you've shown the equality?
No,
Because that is the main question. Because when playing so many tournaments, eventually teams have that idea set up in their mind, stating that one or the other one would favor this team. You know it, right? Conducting the tournaments, how it goes.
no, if I am partial for any team, I think we can't run these 14 seasons. There is the result for all the viewers. If I am any partial for any team, mostly there will be no result for the 14 seasons for sure. And there will be no partial. Even I am playing in a team as an employee or as a supporter, as a well-wisher. I will play my game and I will move out from the boundary. Just there is the only thing that who works hard, they will be winner of that match.
True. Any final appeal do you want to say to your fans? Everyone knows you on and off the camera because you are the face who's familiar to everyone. That you want to give an appeal to your supporters. How would you like them to support you?
Just I need an appeal. It is not an appeal. It's the decision taken by the decision I have to taken by themselves only. That One Champion, they are thinking that One Champion is a it's a tough tournament. 100% it is a tough tournament because we are giving a quality, top class quality for the players. 100% here. Based on that quality, the quality players will be participating in this tournament. I say one thing, that don't think that it is a tough tournament. It is a quality tournament. First think on that. In the market there is a running lot of tournaments. Based on these tournaments, don't compare with other tournaments. The only thing is that you once join the One Champion tournament, you know the quality and the quantity and the professionality of the One Champion tournament.
So, firstly, I thank you for your valuable time and the comments that you've connected with us, all of you, because it was very important to know your perspective and to know the upcoming prospects you've thought for this ground as well.
Sure, I also, my team also supports and thankful for the sponsors. Without their effort, there will be nothing. Provide the service, best quality service. I hands off for them from our team, from our management. We are very thankful for each and every sponsor who was supporting us, like money, like time, like hard work, whatever it may be.
And in every
Whatever it may be, everything, we are very thankful for them. And I request, if anyone wants to join the One Champion tournament, be prepared and be ready. It is an open tournament for you to make your success meet and to show your talent out.
So, and I thank you for the valuable, compliments and whatever you have shared with us about your future prospects. I really thank for your time and your comments. Thank you.
Thank you, Mujib.
Thank you.